Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today I've got Glossybox unboxing. It's quite a heavy box. Yeah, let's jump right in. Oh, and as if by magic. Oh, okay, so we are on a standard pink box. Looks like that. Ta-da! Oh, I look a mess. Can't get away from it. But it is a weighty box. So let's jump right in. Ta-da! Okay. Okay. And it looks like that. Can you see? Let's jump right in. So the biggest thing I can see is this Botanics All Bright with Hibiscus Micellar 3-in-1 cleansing solution for all skin types. So that is clearly a full-size product. This is $5.49 for 250ml. Removing makeup is no longer a chore with this 3-in-1 micellar cleanser designed to feel as light and as gentle as water. Makeup is dissolved instantly and impurities are removed. Infused with hibiscus extract, your skin will look instantly refreshed. Apply to the skin using cotton wool pad, blah 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 blah. Let's smell it. I'm not gonna lie, and I've had a cry, so my sense of smell isn't the best. No, it doesn't. Either it doesn't smell of anything, or the crying has ruined me. Before anyone asks, before anyone's worried, I was watching YouTube videos. You know those YouTube videos where it's like dads come home from, like dads and mums in the forces come home and they surprise their kids or their dogs or their parents or something. And like they're all in their uniform and they're coming home from service, and oh, I was watching that and it made me cry. Basically I was charging my battery and that's what I was doing, so apologies for this. Well, the next thing I've got is by Affect, like that. Transparent loose rice powder with matte effect. I am not sniffing that. This is a full-size product, it's 10 grams. Matte effect transparent loose rice powder, move over banana powder. Ooh. There's a new celebrity on the scene introducing rice powder. A combination of mica and rice starch gives a perfect matte finish. This is one of our makeup bag must-have, as it's the perfect makeup setter. Instantly absorbing oil, setting foundation and lipstick without the cakey look. Top tip, press the powder on your skin while your foundation is still wet with a flat shaped brush or powder puff. This is £9.35. Coolio. Next item I've got is a Eyeliner Fat Liquid Liner. I feel like I've had one of these before. I know I have had this before. I'm relatively sure I got it through here. Yeah. From memory, I loved it. It's just a felt tip, like a felt tip pen, eyeliner, really thick, really. I've had this before. It's like super duper black, like black is black. Oh, sorry, carbon black. I've had one of these before. They are amazing. This is full size. Remember the big bold lines that Brigitte Bardot rocked in the 50s, Twiggy in the 60s, and Kate in the 90s. Kate Moss? Must be Kate Moss. Wasn't me, even though I wore a lot of eyeliner in the 90s, not gonna lie. The It girls over the decades have shown us that heavy eyeliner never goes out of fashion. Blah, blah, blah. 16 quid for that one. And yeah, we've had it in a box before. It is really good. The next thing I've got is the Karl Lagerfeld Model & Co. Baked Blush in Light Beige. Ooh. I love the fact it's got his little picture. You gonna focus? Little Karl Lagerfeld picture there. So everybody has got this blush in light beige though. What a weird colour for a blush. It's kind of like, it's more, packaging is lovely though. I love the packaging. Look at that. It's more of a highlight. Would you not say it was a highlight colour? From bold and daring blush in the 80s to the natural look we're sporting now, we've come a long way, thank goodness. Say hello to this incredible baked blush that brightens and highlights every complexion to create catwalk-inspired glow. Yeah, I would so call that a highlight. I really want to smell it, just because I couldn't smell the other thing. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that is not a blush, it's a highlight. Like, I've got quite a lot of highlight on, but it's like, hello. Oh, I like that. I'm doing a lot of looking in the upper in the viewfinder, which I know annoys people, so I'm sorry, but pop. I like that. I like that. Oh, these are a Glossybox early exclusive, launch date yet to be released. There is no recommended retail price on that. And the last thing I've got, oh hang on, does this mean then we've gone back to only putting the things, oh we have. If you've been with me for the last couple of months, I've been very confused by the paperwork, but we're back to only having the things I have. So we've got this MDM Flow lip gloss, which is alive. Hang on, so everything was full size in this month's box, that's pretty cool. This is a liquid matte lipstick. Now, I'm going to say at one point last year we got an MDM lipstick and it was like in some golden bullet packaging and it was like very vampy and very sexy, and I've worn it like 3 times, but it definitely makes me feel a bit sassy, so it's not my like normal comfort zone colour, but it's like, I like it. So as a product, I've only ever tried one other thing by this brand before, but I like it. For a moment then I thought my camera wasn't recording, but it is. This is a liquid matte lipstick. Fall in love with crushed velvet. It is long-lasting matte lipstick available in a array of different shades, taking inspiration from rock darlings of the 80s and 90s. Okay, so this is full size, it's £19 and it's in the shade Retro. It's like a very nice pinky colour. Let's go there. Oh, I like the, oh, oh. Now, I've got the wrong top on. It is a beautiful, like, pinky. I've got a lot, the red is making it look very orange, but that is beautiful. It's not orange at all. This is because I've got a red jumper on. It's amazing. I'm like channeling my inner, like at the moment I've got Rimmel Heather Shimmer on, and like, but I'm just feeling very 90s right now. Very happy, very happy. Okay, that's everything in my box. This may be my favourite box since the Harrods box that was like 1,000 years ago. I'm actually going to use, I think, every single thing in my box. I'm a very happy girl. Yeah, the sneak peek for next month's box is a vegan shower, fabulously vegan and cruelty free duo of shampoo and conditioner. But anyway, I love this month's Glossybox. These two, well actually, these 3 are definitely gonna become a regular in my makeup bag. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I'll give this a go. Like, I don't hate it. I don't powder a lot. I'm of an age where the oily T-zone only kind of appears once a month, so but yeah, I'll give that one a go. And it's a nice brand. It's a micellar water, so it'll definitely get used. So yes, very happy with this month's Glossybox. Sorry about the ramble, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys. Oh, bye guys.